In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF in Canva. If you've ever opened a PDF and wished you could quickly tweak the text, adjust colors, or add a few visuals, Canva makes it surprisingly simple. We'll walk through the exact process from opening Canva to making edits, keeping everything straightforward so you can follow along easily. First, head over to Canva. You can use it in your web browser or the app, and the experience is very similar either way. Once you're in, start by creating a project. In Canva, this is often called creating a design. Don't worry too much about the size here because we're going to bring in your PDF pages as editable designs. Next, upload your PDF file. Look for the Upload section, usually on the left sidebar. Click the Upload button and choose your PDF from your computer. You can also drag and drop the file straight into Canva if that's easier. Larger PDFs may take a bit longer, so give it a moment. You'll see a thumbnail appear in your uploads once Canva has recognized the file. From the Uploads panel, select your PDF. If you have multiple pages, you'll typically see each page as a mini preview. Wait for the loading indicator to finish. This ensures the file is properly processed. When it's ready, double-click the PDF or the specific page you want to work on. Canva will open it on the canvas and convert the content into editable elements where possible. Now comes the fun part, editing. Click on any text to change the words, adjust the font, or tweak the size and color. If something doesn't align perfectly, use Canva's smart guides to nudge items into place. For colors, select shapes or backgrounds and choose new hues from the color picker to match your brand or theme. If an element is in the way, you can move it, resize it, or delete it to create space. You can also add new elements to enhance your PDF. Open the Elements tab to drop in shapes, lines, icons, or illustrations. If you're adding photos, keep an eye on balance and whitespace so the page stays clean and readable. Try grouping related items to move them together, and use consistent fonts for a polished look. That's it. You've gone to Canva, created a project, uploaded and selected your PDF, waited for it to load, opened it with a double click, and made the edits you need. Text, colors, and extra elements. You're done and ready to move on.